Kia ora Year 12 and Year 11. I'm just going to go through some of last year's school exams. I'm going to start with some straightforward algebra questions. So this is question 1AB from last year's paper. The first question was an algebraic fraction that you had to simplify. So we're going to start by looking at the numerator and the denominator, and we're hunting for common factors. So in the top line, the numerator, we should notice that we've got a difference of 2 squares. Right, so we can factorise that as follows: 2x times 2x plus 5 minus 5. Now when we look down here, we should be looking for something that's going to simplify through. So the first thing I do is I check my numbers. I've got 2 and 5, no common factors there. I've got x squared and x, so we'll pull out an x common factor. Then I've got a y here and a y here, so it's going to be xy times 2x plus 5. And that simplifies to give me my final answer, 2x minus 5 over xy. All right, that was a little achieved question. The next one was one requiring you to understand indices and fractional powers. So we can write this out like this: 1/16 to the power of a half times x. I'm going to multiply those powers together to the power of 4. So this is asking me, what is the square root of 1/16? The square root of 1 over 16 is just 1/4. So also a U code. Now the next question has 2 levels, an achieved level and a merit level. We're asked to work out for what values of t is this a perfect square. So a perfect square in algebra is where I get an expression here with x's and numbers that's squared. So if you're in a hurry doing this question, you might look at it and think, oh yep, that's not too bad. We're going to look at the 4x squared and we're going to write down 2x. And now we need 2 numbers that multiply to 49. So it's going to be 2x plus 7 squared. Now if you write that out slowly, we get 2x plus 7 times 2x plus 7, which gives me 4x squared plus 28x plus 49. But that's only one of my solutions, so we can now happily write down t is equal to 28. That's an achieved tick, but there's one more thing we could do. Notice in the question, it doesn't say anything about t being negative or positive, so we could also have t being negative. So 4x squared plus tx plus 49 could be 2x minus 7 times 2x minus 7, which would give me 4x squared minus 28x plus 49. So the second value of t is t equals negative 28. All right, that's all I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to try and keep them pretty short. I'll be back with some more later on. Thanks for watching.